Yeah, she's going to jail. What? Yeah, I don't know.
We were in line, sir.
But you still stopped in the middle of the road to pick up cars. You're not allowed to do that. License and registration. You should know by taking your driver's license test that you cannot stop in the middle of the road.
The registration.
If you do it, everybody else starts doing it, and then this is completely...
Everybody start getting in front of me.
If you do it, I have to let everybody else do it. There's a reason why there's a dismissal. That's why you're supposed to go into school and pick up your kids. There's a reason for that.
What's happening? I'm not picking up, I'm just a guest.
So you're going to honk the horn at me while I'm working? Give me your license and registration.
What is your name? What's your name?
Yep, that's on the ticket.
My daughter's a sergeant.
Okay. I need your license and registration. Excuse me, you're fleeing and eluding. Okay, go, flee and elude. 414, I have a car fleeing from me.
Yes, so 414 has a vehicle fleeing.
License and registration.
Tell me what you're...
License and registration and get back in the car.
Can you tell
414 direction of trouble.
what
414, I have her stop. Get back inside the vehicle.
Yes, so you teach.
Because you're going to get yourself arrested.
For what?
By not following lawful orders. License and registration, please. I'm not going to ask you again.
Yes,
If I ask you again, you're going to be in the back of my car. Put your hands on your car. I gave you more than enough chances, and then you decided to flee and elude a police officer. That is a felony charge. Get in the back of the car, please. I'm gonna need someone to take this. So I had a vehicle stop. She starts honking the horn at me. She honked that horn at me 5 times. I go, ma'am, is there a problem? She's like, oh, I want to talk to you. I go, you don't honk at a police officer. So I went, finished my 19, I go back to her. I asked for her license and registration. She said no, and she took off. I told her to get back in the car. She didn't want to get in the back of the car. I mean, back to her car. So I put her in cuffs and I put her in the back of mine. At the end of the day, that's fleeing, eluding, and refusing to obey
First of all,
a police officer.
blowing the horn.
And the horn. I need her license. Get out of the vehicle, please. Yeah, that's the car.
Take out your license.
I'm going to uncuff her to take her purse out from her, and then I need her license.
What do you need my license for? You didn't stop me. I attempted to report you for questions. Don't talk to me.
Can you take the cuffs on her, and I need her ID.
How do you arrest me because I stopped you? I'm trying to get your attention to ask you a question.
Your license in here, sweetie?
Yeah, she's going to jail. What? Yeah? I don't know if she's the owner of the car. She's not the owner of the car. I think it's her another
I
person.
don't understand why this is happening to me. I was trying to register my daughter at the school. I thought he was the school police. I can't do this. Why would he do this? Nothing is gonna poke or pinch me, no? Take a seat in here now.
Looking for the registration.
After checking her data online, officers found out that her license was invalid.
Driver license not valid.
Now I know why she didn't want to give me her license. It's not valid.
You got out early?
Yeah, the whole school.
Huh?
Now I know why she didn't want to stop. Her license is not valid.
Hey, ma'am. Real quick, in order for me to tow the car, I have to do an inventory of the vehicle. That's why I'm in your car. I know you don't want me in your car, but I have to do my job.
It's not my car.
And I have to inventory it, just to give you a heads up. I wanted her to put that on camera. Thank you.
Sir.
looking for the registration. This is her cell phone. She wants it with her. A CD case, an umbrella, for these puzzles, kids puzzles, and clothing. Kids puzzles and clothing, yeah.
When she was told that she will soon be transported to jail, she started requesting the police officers to change their mind.
I gotta call you, right? You got a white card. Right. This pen. With my glasses. Oh. My ear. Oh, I came out of here.
Let me know if the phone rings. It might be the owner. If he calls back before roadway gets here, you can have the
It's
call.
on ring, it's not vibrate.
Your phone's on ring, right? Yeah.
So
Okay.
we're leaving momentarily because I gotta drive her.
Yeah, I know. Just let him know to respond here. He's right here around the corner. Not gonna
Oh,
help.
she's wondering how to talk to me. How to talk to me.
Listen, I can tell you what you're being arrested for. Your license is no good. Your license is suspended.
I
This
didn't
time,
know that my license was suspended. I had just paid to get it renewed because I knew it was
I'm giving you the information so you can have it for your benefit. I think this could have been avoided if you would have just listened to the police officer from the beginning and not honking your horn.
He didn't pull me over.
He can't pull you over if his car
I
is
didn't know
over.
you can't honk at an officer.
Listen to me. You're getting arrested for the DWLS, and a copy of that arrest form will be provided to you, okay? According to his A form that he writes.
Like he's not gonna talk to me.
He may not have to talk to you. I'm telling you right now what you're being arrested for. Is there anything that you wish to ask him? I'll probably answer it for you.
If he can change his mind.
You're being arrested for the DWLS.
Need some help getting out? Or I think I'm okay. Got it? Did you wanna come from inside? You want me to touch for you, or you wanna come from inside to let them know that you're here? To let who know? Whoever you wanna call. I don't know who I would call. If you end up, we have to go this way. If you end up changing your mind, just let them know and they'll allow you to make the talk up from here.
She was charged with driving with a suspended license, obstruction, improper use of a horn, and fleeing and eluding. If you liked the video, don't forget to show your love and support.